Hello viewers, this is Too Fast here. In today's video, I'll be replacing the factory fog light on this 2019 Toyota Highlander with a new set of LED fog lights. Now I'm not replacing just the halogen bulb, but instead I'll be replacing it with a brand new fog light housing. Now these new ones I'm putting in has 4 high power LED chip and also has projector lens, outputting a very focused light pattern. So let's get started. Let me first show you the new fog lights that I'll be installing. Here's a look at one of the fog lights. So let's have a closer look at this fog light. Inside are 4 high power LED chips. The top one is behind this projector lens you see right here. The other 3 LED chips are behind these 3 lenses that will spread the light horizontally. According to the manufacturer, each fog light outputs 2500 lumen, and the color temperature is 6000 Kelvin, which is a pure white color. The front lens is made of polycarbonate, and the housing and bracket is also made of plastic. There's an adjustment screw at the back here. You can use it to aim the light up and down. Over here is a wiring harness that comes out, and you plug this into the factory plug. The installation is very simple. There are 4 screw holes. Remove the factory fog, install this new one, and then connect this connector. Also, this style of fog light will fit other Toyota vehicles. It's compatible with the 2016 to 19 Tacoma, 2014 to 16 Corolla, 2016 to 19 RAV4, 2014 to 19 Tundra, and of course it'll fit the 2014 to 2019 Highlander. So let's have a quick look at the original fog light. These ones from Toyota uses halogen bulb and has a yellowish color when you turn on. I'll start with the driver's side. I've gone ahead and turned the steering wheel all the way to the right. Start with removing this 10mm bolt right here. Remove the plastic clip. There's also a small plastic clip right here. To remove this clip, use a slotted screwdriver and turn this counterclockwise a quarter turn, and then this middle plastic pin will come out. Remove this 10mm bolt. There are 2 10mm bolts you need to remove. And remove this plastic clip right here. I'm also going to remove this 10mm bolt right here. Now I can pull back on this panel. Pull back the fender liner. Here's a look at the fog light housing. It's held in by 2 screws on the left side here, which I'll need to remove. The first thing you want to do is disconnect the connector here. Now remove the 2 10mm bolt on the left side. Now you can slide the fog light out. Now you'll notice when I remove this fog light, I only remove the 2 bolts on the left side and not on the right side. These 2 tabs actually slip into a slot on the right side here. So after you remove these 2 bolts, this whole thing will slide out. Now I do want to point out even the factory fog light is all plastic. The front lens is plastic, same as the housing and the bracket at the back. This actually weighs a lot less than the LED one I'm putting in. Here's a side-by-side look of the 2 fog lights. And a look at the back. Now I'll install the new fog light. Connect the connectors. With the driver's side fog light installed, let me show you what it looks like. As you can see, the LED outputs a pure white color and it's very bright. Now you can reinstall the fender liner. With this pin, after you install it, you need to use a screwdriver and turn this clockwise, quarter turn. Reinstall the screws and clips underneath. Now repeat the same steps on the passenger side. And here's a passenger side fog light. Disconnect the connector. Remove the two bolts holding the fog light. Install the new fog light. Connect the connectors. Reinstall the fender liner. Now if you need to adjust the fog light up and down, there is an adjustment screw behind it. Use a long Phillips screwdriver through this hole and you can get access to that adjustment screw. When you turn it clockwise, you adjust the light up. If you turn it counterclockwise, then you aim the light down. Here's a look at the fog lights installed. As you can see, the color output is a pure white color. The light output is very bright and has a nice beam pattern. With a projector lens, there's a nice clean cutoff at the top of the beam pattern. And the light has a nice wide pattern, which is what you want for a fog light. Overall, I think this is a great upgrade you can do for your Highlander. Now best of all, these fog lights are very affordable. You can get a set for $60, and I'll include the link below. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.